Okay guys, we're gonna start a new painting. Got everything ready here. Got my brushes, got my water, got my plate, got my paper napkins. And these are the colors that I'm gonna be using. A lot of turquoises, whites. So this is the canvas. It's a specialty canvas that my husband got for me, and it's 15 by 4 feet. So I had to remove everything off my pegboard to get it on there so I could video this for you. I pre-gessoed, if you will. I put an undercoat on the canvas. When you do these large ones, you probably need to really do this. It just helps paint move better, you know, when you're starting out on the canvas itself. So it's just a cream color that I had in stock. It's a basic acrylic. I think it's flat. Cody boy got into the paint. Oh my goodness. Okay, cleanup time. I want to focus in on the right-hand side of the painting right here, because I want to blow it up so that you guys can see clouds. So you saw me use the sponge just to get the background in and all that. And you can see the starting of some clouds right here, right? Well, now we have to put some undertones, because clouds are not just white. They have purples and grays and sometimes yellows and pinks and all kinds of stuff. So I don't want to make the focus on the top part of the painting, because the focus is going to be down here, but I do want to add some depth into here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the black, just a little bit. And I'm going to take a light purple. That's going to mute the black. And then I still do have some white on my palette. Let me find my favorite brush. This is a soft, very soft, rounded tip brush that's great for getting in. Okay. These are the tops of the clouds. This is the bottom side of the clouds. Always the undertones are down here, and then the tops remain white. So I'm going to come in right in here, just a little bit. Then I'm going to take another brush, and I'm just going to kind of, oh, that got a little too dry too quick. Okay. My paint is very sticky.